In this video, I will show you how to withdraw crypto from Revolut. So to do this is fairly simple. What you want to do is just go to the crypto tab in the bottom of the Revolut app. And from there, what you want to do then is click on send. And then to withdraw your crypto to another wallet, just select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer over to the external wallet. For example, I'll use my Bitcoin. Now, by the way, if it's a Revolut friend, you can just click Revolut friends. And then here you can just select the Revolut friend, which is easy if they also have a wallet on Revolut. But if it's an external exchange or some sort of ledger or something like that, just gonna select the cryptocurrency. And then from there you'll see this, so you need to select an address. So if you've already sent crypto to that address before, you can just go and select it from here. If not, click add wallet address. And you will need to enter the wallet or exchange. Now this is for if it's your wallet. If it's someone else's, click on that in the top. And then you also need to enter some details about them. But for this example, I'll use Phantom Wallet. So what I'll do is click on receive right here. And then here, in this case, I'm sending Bitcoin, so I'll select Bitcoin, and then just copy your wallet address. Now you can also do this with Bybit, Binance, Coinbase, or any other exchange, but just go and get a wallet address, and then paste that in right here in the wallet address section, and then click on wallet or exchange. And then here you'll need to select which exchange or wallet you're sending to. Now if it's a centralized exchange, then it will be in the exchange section. If it's a non-custodial wallet, you'll find it in wallet. For example, Phantom Wallet is in the wallet section, but for example, Crypto.com and Coinbase are in the exchange section. But Coinbase Wallet, on the other hand, is a wallet. But just gonna select whichever one it is. And then from there, add the withdrawal address and then select it. And you will see something like this. Now just choose how much crypto you want to withdraw to that address and then enter that right there. And then click review transfer. Then you have the overview. Then just go and confirm it. And then the crypto will be on its way to the external wallet. So now you know how to withdraw crypto from Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.